With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So in this question it is given that organic molecule A is there. Okay, this is being treated with concentrated HNO3 to form C, which is an intermediate. Similarly, when this is heated in the presence of toluene, we are getting D, which is an explosive. And this organic molecule A is treated with NaBr plus MnO2 to give B. Brown colored gas with pungent odor is formed. Now we need to identify A, B, C, D and write the balanced chemical equations of formation of A to B and A to C. So for first A to B, we'll see what is happening here from A to D. Let's see what is there. There is a presence of first organic molecule which is given to us is a toluene molecule, right? So toluene is undergoing electrophilic substitution reaction. That is the general as description of a benzene molecule, right? The benzene molecule is always going to give electrophilic substitution reaction. So what will happen? This CH3 is an electron donating group. So electron donating group means it will be ortho and para directing. So any electrophile which is coming will come and attack on the ortho and para position. So what happens over here? Here you see concentrated HNO3 is there, right? And A is present. So concentrated HNO3 is there means nitration is happening. So concentrated HNO3, this means that nitration is going to happen, and nitration when is carried out, it is not carried out only in the presence of concentrated HNO3. With respect to concentrated HNO3, we also require concentrated H2SO4 together, right? So the A molecule can be said to be another, that is concentrated H2SO4. Now what happens is when concentrated H2SO4 and concentrated HNO3 react, so I'll write down the reaction, that is H2SO4 plus HNO3. When they react together, the molecule now we are going to get is going to look like this: HOH positive and NO2. There should be generation of electrophile, right? Here you will have H2SO4 HSO4 minus. It is not H2SO4, it is HSO4 minus. So from this part there will be removal of water molecule, which is a good leaving group, which will generate the electrophile NO2 positive. Now this electrophile which is generated will be your C, and this is your intermediate. Once you get your intermediate, this intermediate is treated with toluene molecule in the presence of heat, right? It is given CH3 NO2 plus in the presence of heat. What will happen? This is ortho and para directing, so it will attack on the ortho or para position. But what happens is ortho will not be the ortho attack will not be possible because there will be steric hindrance taking place due to CH3 and NO2. NO2 being a big group, bulky group, so steric hindrance will be there, and henceforth the attack is on the para position. Okay, so we can say the molecule now we are going to obtain is CH3 NO2. This will be the major product, and this is your D, which is an explosive also. This is an explosive. Paranitrotoluene is an explosive. Okay. Now since we have got the A part and D part, it is asked like we need to find the chemical equations of formations of A to B and A to C, balanced chemical equation. So from A to D, if you see, this is your balanced equation. NO2 plus, this is still C, and from C we have obtained D. So this is the balanced equation from A to D. Now for A to B, here we have H2SO4 is A, right? So this is being treated with NaBr plus MnO2. So let's check the reaction which is happening. So first A we have is H2SO4. This is treated with NaBr plus, what else is there? We have MnO2. I will write down some spaces between so that we can write down the balance equation. Here we have positive, here you have positive. Okay, this on reaction will generate what? It is going to generate Br2 plus NaSO4, Na2SO4 plus MnSO4 plus H2O. If I want to balance this equation will be balanced like this. Here we will have 2H2SO4, here we will have 2NaBr, MnO2 like this as it is, Br2, Na2SO4, MnSO4, and here 2H2O. So this will be the balanced equation for this, and this product Br2 which is formed will be your B product, and this is actually brown colored gas. So this is brown colored gas with pungent odor. So we have written both the balance equation from A to B and A to D. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.